Hello guys! Today, samahan niyo kami sa one whole day of fun, rides, food, and family memories sa Universal Studios Singapore. First, sumakay muna kami ng bus papuntang Vivo City, and then from Vivo City, sakay naman ng mini train papuntang Resorts World Sentosa Station. Honestly, kahit biyahe pa lang, nakita nyo naman yung excitement nila. Ramdam mo talaga yung excitement. Everywhere we look, ang daming families, tourists, and kids na super happy din. Pagdating namin, maaga pa kami, pero may pila na talaga outside. So, tip talaga guys, come early para masulit ang day and mas mauna kayo sa rides. So, habang papasok kami, sobrang amazed na kami sa paligid. Parang ibang world talaga siya. Every corner may music, colorful ang buildings, giant decorations, and feeling mo nasa set ka talaga ng movie. And syempre, picture-picture muna bago pumasok sa Universal Studios. Isa talaga tong Universal Studios sa bucket list ni Ira Catherine dahil second time na niya dito at gusto niyang mas ma-enjoy yung mga rides. So, ayan, pagpasok namin, grabe, maa-amaze ka talaga. First ride, hindi mo alam kung anong unahin. Pero syempre, unahin natin ang kids. First ride namin was Silly Swirly. Perfect siyang pang first ride actually because super fun and relaxing lang muna.
Tawang-tawa lang si Cassidy habang umiikot kami. After that, lakad-lakad muna around the park. And honestly, kahit hindi ka pa nakakasakay ng rides, sobrang worth it na mag-scroll around. Because everything looks so magical talaga. Kahit simpleng streets and stores, parang nasa movie scenes.
So after this ride, nag-picture-picture muna kami, naglakad-lakad muna. Ang ganda talaga dito. Kahit simpleng streets and stores, parang movie scenes. Well, second ride is a Minion ride. Super kulit and chaotic in the best way possible. Ang daming laugh and ang cute ng whole experience. Feeling parang kasama talaga kami sa movie, lalo na record ang 3D glasses. Sayang lang kasi hindi ko siya pwedeng i-video sa loob mismo nung ride dahil bawal. So, ito lang muna yung teaser.
You know I meant me, right? Not sure if that. You know I meant me, right? Not sure if that was obvious.
Habang naglalakad kami papuntang next area, sobrang amazed kami sa details ng Universal Studios. Iba-ibang themes kada zones. Parang nag-travel ka sa iba't ibang world in one day. And then, we reach far, far away. Guys, parang totoong fairy tale. Parang talaga, fairy tale kingdom. The castle looks so beautiful in person. Of course, we have to try the Far Far Away 3D ride. Super immersive niya because aside sa 3D effects, may splash pa ng water, kaya feeling mo kasama ka talaga sa adventure. Medyo may screaming na nangyari sa loob, but they were laughing and happy the whole time.
Meron akong short clip na nakuhanan nung pag-start pa lang ng show and ride. Kaso pinatay ko rin siya agad kasi hindi ako sure kung allowed bang mag-take ng video dito sa particular attraction na to. So, here you go guys!
After that, we decided to explore more before the next ride. Ang saya lang kasi maglakad kasi every few steps, may makikita kang characters, performances, music, or cute spots for photos. Then, ang next ride namin was the Enchanted Airways. At first talaga, akala namin cute and chill. yung ride, akala mo parang wala lang, parang okay. Medyo boring siguro to kasi Enchanted Airways. Pero guys, medyo extreme pala siya.
Ayan, 10 out of 10. Matapang daw siya. Tingnan natin pagkatapos ng ride. Nakita niyo yung dragon na yan? Naku, yun lang ang pwede kong i-video dahil bago kami sumakay, pinalagay na sa isang corner yung mga bags and gadgets namin.
Ready to ride? Yeah? Yeah? You're scared? A little bit.
So guys, tignan nyo na lang yung mga reaction ng faces nila paglabas.
Kita nyo naman, extreme. Dahil si mama muntik maiyak. Then, lakad-lakad lang muna, picture-picture. Si mama laging naiiwan dahil every corner gusto niya magpa-picture. Sayang lang dahil yung gusto naming puntahan na Water World, yung show is currently closed. Walang performances for the day. So, medyo disappointed lang ng konti. And guys, tip din, always bring water bottle with you. Kahit empty, nyo siyang dalhin papunta doon mismo sa park. Dahil all around the park, merong mga water refilling stations na free.
And anyways, may nakita kaming captured dinosaur na ayaw magpatawag na lizard.
I wasn't calling you anything. You are monitor lizard. I'm not lying. I'm not. She doesn't like it when I call her.
And guess what? Nakasalubong pa namin si Princess Fiona. Super happy ni Cassidy at sobrang cute ng interaction nila.
And next ride is Puss in Boots Giant Journey. Guys, this ride will definitely make your heart skip a bit. Ang bilis and unexpected nung turns and sobrang fun talaga. Parang halong kaba and excitement habang sumisigaw kaming lahat. Sayang kasi hindi ko talaga siya ma-videohan. Okay, after all the walking and rides, lunch muna tayo guys because pagod and gutom na talaga. But honestly, one thing we love about Universal Studios is kahit saan ka tumingin, buhay na buhay yung atmosphere. Music, people laughing, kids smiling. Sarap sa feeling. Alright, then next adventure, dino ride naman. Feeling namin nasa Jurassic World talaga. Sobrang detailed ng paligid and ang realistic ng dinosaur ride. Then, after this ride, magpe-prepare tayo dahil it's time for the Revenge of the Mummy.
Ibang level tong ride na to guys. I remember the first time na sumakay ako dito was way back 2012 nung pinagbubuntis ko pa lang si Ate Ira Catherine. Guys, ibang level tong ride na to. It was dark, fast, unexpected, and yes, mapapaiyak ka talaga. So, before entering the attraction, meron namang guidelines. If hindi ka pasok sa age and height, hindi ka talaga papapasukin. So, we made sure din na Cassidy is okay, and the kids are okay, mama is okay, bago kami pumasok. So, ayan, nag-practice na sila kung paano sumigaw. Pero ibang klase yung sigaw nila habang nasa loob na kami ng ride. The ride was, I think, lasted for only about 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Pero grabe ang extreme. And merong umiyak talaga. Tingnan nyo na lang sa video kung sino yung lalabas na luhaan.
So, ayan, tingnan nyo. Umiyak talaga si mama at kinakabahan kami dahil tinitignan namin siya the whole ride. Okay pa ba siya? Kaya ba niya? But, you know, Cassidy and Ira, they're so okay. Excited. Super brave. Ang sad lang kasi close pa yung Battlestar Galactica until July.
Today, sarado yung mga stream ride. Buti naman.
Try na lang natin si Transformer ride. And yes, bawing-bawi dito. It's one of the best rides ever. parang nasa actual Transformers battle ka talaga. Sobrang ganda. 3D din siya. Kailangan mong mag-wear ng 3D glasses kasi makatotohanan yung ride. As in, parang alam mo yung dala-dala mo siya. Dala-dala ka ni Optimus Prime. Makakasama mo pa si Bumblebee dun sa loob. Sobrang ganda. Kaya inulit namin siya. Twice. Dahil the first time na sumakay kami, hindi kasama si Rain Cassidy. We thought hindi niya kakayanin. Pero nung na-try ni Ate Ira, ang sabi niya, kaya to ni Cassidy. So, the next time, isama natin siya. So, inulit namin siya with Cassidy na this time. So, it's late in the afternoon na nung sumakay kami ng Transformers. Kaya wala nang pila masyado. Roughly around 5 minutes lang ang waiting time. So, pwede kang umulit-ulit hanggang gusto mo.
They're gonna ride in that car. See? Gonna ride in the car. And after this ride, merong meet and greet si Optimus Prime. So, another core memory unlock talaga, especially for Cassidy dahil super gusto niya si Optimus Prime. And pwede actually magpa-picture sa kanya, pero hindi na kami pumila dahil sobrang dami, sobrang haba ng pila. Okay na kami na nakita siya ng up close. After all the thrilling rides, chill muna kami and naglakad-lakad ulit around the park. Then, akala ko okay na na-solve na sila, na pwede na kami mag-relax. Pero may nakita po silang isang ride na na-miss nila nung pagpasok namin sa park dahil sobrang na-excite sila sa Minion. Na-overlook nila ang Sesame Street. So yun, sumakay kami sa Sesame Street ride and it's highly recommended for kids talaga because super cute, colorful, and relaxing lang talaga niya. And ayan, I managed to take a video during the ride and makikita nyo na super kulit and super design siya for kids. I don't know if allowed ang toddlers, maybe if na-meet mo ang height requirement. So, maganda siya. And then, right after nilang mag-Sesame Street, nagyaya si Ate Ira na sumakay ulit sa Silly Swirly. Like, hindi sila napapagod. So, nag-ulit sila ng ride and then nasundan pa ng another carousel ride. Inalaw lang namin sila dahil first time nila na silang dalawa lang yung sasakay. And alam kong matutuwa si Cassidy na makasama yung ate niya ng solo, nang sila lang. And habang nag-ride sila, more walking, more pictures, and more memories naman kami. Honestly, sa Universal Studios Singapore felt so magical for us because it wasn't just about the rides, it was about spending time together, laughing together, screaming together sa ride, and making memories as a family. And after the ride, nakasalubong ni Cassidy si Agnes from Minion. And hinabol niya talaga for picture taking. Sadly, hindi niya nakita si Cassidy. So, hanggang habol na lang siya, hanggang high. Which is okay lang naman dahil nag-enjoy naman siya kakahabol. And before we knew it, gabi na pala. Pagod na yung mga paa namin, medyo haggard na. Pero super happy naman ng hearts namin. And guys, this is actually the third time na pumunta kami dito ni hubby. Pero honestly, hindi pa rin nawawala yung excitement. Mas naging special pa because this is already Ate Ira's second time and first time for Mama, Jan, Anana, and especially for our little Cassidy. And as you can see, tinry namin yung Space Killer game. And guys, nanalo kami ng fluffy unicorn stuffed toy. Sobrang saya nila. Parang major achievement talaga siya. So, ayun guys, time to go home na after one unforgettable family adventure here at Universal Studios Singapore. Sayang lang kasi hindi kami kompleto. Pero maybe next time, maybe next year, kompleto na kami pumunta dito sa Universal Studios. So don't forget to like, follow, and come say hello guys on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!